Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Let's draw, paint, and have fun together. Today, we're going to draw a heart, a donut, and a star. First, use a thin pen to draw the heart, the donut, and the star. Then, take a thicker pen and trace the lines to make them nice and clean. I'll clean up the lines a little more. Now, let's make some fun patterns inside the shapes. Let's draw little hearts inside the big heart. Inside the donut, draw some tiny circles. And inside the star, draw smaller stars. Awesome! The outline is all done. Now it's time to color. Red, it's the color of a bright red rose. Orange, like warm sunshine. Yellow, like shiny little stars. Green, like fresh spring leaves. Blue, like the sky and the ocean. Purple, like sweet grape juice. Pink, like yummy candy. Let's add a bit more purple. The purple looks brighter now. Now we're all done. Let's say the shapes together. Heart, donut, star. Great job! You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.